Andres Aponte. I work with Pristimantis meremai and its thermal biology patterns in Villavicencio, Colombia. In our work, we found that Pristimantis meremai don't have a significant difference between thermal preference and thermal Ctmax value across the altitudinal gradient and between the coverage. Also, we found that Pristimantis meremai is more abundant in lowlands, in forests, but in highlands is more abundant in clearings or open areas. This is the Pristimantis meremai always follow its thermal quality. For this, in highlands and lowlands, Pristimantis meremai, the individuals always was catching the same coverage. For example, one individual was catching the first time in the forest, the second time in the forest, the third time in the forest. And in few cases, some individual was catching crossing between coverage. Respecting with the hardening, we found that Pristimantis meremai don't have a real fast acclimation respecting to the Ctmax, but in Ctmin, we found that Pristimantis meremai have a real fast acclimation. For this and for all data, we conclude that Pristimantis meremai is thermally fragile to landscape transformation, but these species can modify the coverage use, follow always the thermal quality. In the World Congress, I met many researchers that advised me about the hardening test, the thermal performance curves, and the thermal reference test. For this, I use new tests, new analysis for my thesis dissertation. Also, I was in many presentations and I learned about another methodologies applied to amphibians and reptiles in the world. In Dunedin and in the Congress, I met another researchers. I talked about the personal and work experience in each country. I talked again with many people that I met in another conference in the past. Also, I visit many museums, so interesting, and I met the wildlife in Otago Peninsula. It was really amazing. Finally, after the Congress, I present my thesis work for a master's degree, and I obtained the meritorious recognition for my work. Thanks.